Let's make egg dopayaza. First, take 2 chicken eggs and hard boil it for 9 minutes. First, I want you to take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and add it to the pan. After our pan is super hot, I want you to add the boiled eggs. After the eggs are golden brown, I want you to keep them aside. After you're done frying your eggs, I want you to grab these whole spices, whole cumin, cinnamon, cardamom, just a little bit of mace and a bay leaf. I want you to fry them until a nice aroma comes out. Now I want you to add 1 cup of chopped onions. After our onions are golden brown, I want you to add 6 teaspoons of onion paste. After that, I want you to add 3 teaspoons of chili and coriander paste. Let it cook for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I want you to add half a cup of tomato puree. Just after adding the tomato puree, I want you to add just a little bit of salt. Now let's add the spices. I'm here using black pepper, cumin, turmeric and chili powder. After you start seeing the oil separate, add just about half a cup of water. Now let's add the boiled eggs. Let it cook for more 5 to 10 minutes and then serve it. And serve over rice with a lemon slice on the side.